Hey, it's Trevor Harris, Scheer Partners. I'm here at City Garage in Baltimore Peninsula. Let me take you around and show you some of the upgrades we've made in the past year or so. So we recently completed a heavy up, bringing additional power into the building. As you can see beside me, we've got a 500 kW cat generator. Make sure we've got plenty of backup for the tenants in the building. So we also installed several hundred lineal feet of ribbon window glass. Make sure we bring in plenty of natural light to the suites inside. Here at City Garage, we've made plenty of upgrades to the common area amenities, like this high-end but very functional pantry available to all tenants, and the state-of-the-art fitness center. Currently home to Launchport, BioBuzz, and others, we've got Haystack, Novel, and Longevity construction underway. Contact us to help design and build your next space.